Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi! Today I'm going to show you the basic things about the Singer Brilliance sewing machine. So I've got it for my birthday and I've played with it for a while now, and I'm going to show you the basic things you should know about it if you get one, or if you're interested to get one. Let's get started. There should be this sign, and then just push the foot lever. Ta-da! When you're finished, just cut the thread off, then you're ready to use it. Just push it back and take it out. That you leave some space, but also not too close, so it can spin well. Now just take your thread, put it through here like the numbers is, and then go down, this, and then up, and down. Now when your thread is here, just put it through this little hook here, and then put it like this over this hook, push it down, and the thread, make sure it's in front of the hole of the needle, push it, and then there should be a loop here, just pull it out, and ta-da, you got it through the needle. Just put your thread through this hole in the middle and put it at the back. Now put the bobbin in like this. Take the thread and pull and see if it's going clockwise. If it is, put it through the hole here, pull it, and make sure it goes in. Click. Now you're ready to put it in the machine. Now put the bobbin in the machine. Make sure this goes up and this goes vertical. And just put it in like this and push it here. And now it's in the machine. Now in order to pull the thread from the bobbin up, you have to take this thread, pull the lever, and then turn the knob on the side towards you to make the needle go down and go up again. Then pull your thread. And as you can see here, this is the thread from the bobbin. And just pull it a little longer and put it at the back. Now just close this. And put this back like this, and you've completed the bobbin and the thread upstairs. And here are the buttons to choose your patterns, and also the buttonholes and so on. And this knob goes 10, 20, 30, and this one goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can choose the pattern that you want. can change the width and the length, but the machine already made the one that they think is the most suitable, but you can of course change it. To change the width, use these two buttons, as you can see, like this and like this. And to change the length, these two buttons, like this and like this. If you have selected the number you want, like I did, I chose 30, which is this one. Just push the foot lever down and it will start going. When you're finished with your sewing and you want to end it, then just press this button and it will help you make a knot, and it helps you secure the thread so that it won't break. Now you might ask what this does. So here it makes the thread go tighter or looser. So if you go from one, it will be the most loosest, and if you go to 9, it will be the tightest. So I suggest if you're doing patterns like these to make it tighter so that it will be easier for the machine to make it better, like fasten it. But for these, you can just use 5. As you can see here, 5 is in a bracket because normally 5 is the best one. So for normal projects, 5 is the best one. But as I just said, for more complicated pattern, make it maybe to 7 or 8. If you're finished with your sewing, just pull the lever up here. Your threads at the back again, and you're ready for the next project. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I hope it helped you guys, and see you next time. Bye!